Everyone, today it's Isaac King Videos, and today I'm going to show you guys how to fix Windows not recognizing USB partition or device. So this is a problem on some computers. When you put in the USB, it doesn't come up, but it still makes the sound. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix that. So what you want to do now is you need to go to Windows. Type in search CMD. And then go to run as administrator and click yes. What you want to do now is you have to go to Mount Vol. So you see, there will be 3 no mount points. What you need to do is you have to unplug the USB to see if one changes. Then type in Mount Vol again. Now there's only 2. Now store these numbers in your head, 311 and D17. I'm going to put in the USB. Remember those numbers on those already recognized partitions. Now the USB is in, type in Mount Vol again. And as you could see, a new number will come up. 9488. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to copy all of this and right click. What we're going to do now is Mount Vol. Now you can put in your new drive letter. So now I'm going to put E. I'm going to put E. E. Dot. And now, right click again to paste the text. And now, hit enter. As you can see, a window will pop up just like this. And this indicates that your USB is recognized. So this is the USB, and it's mounted and it's recognized now. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.